Oil and gas central processing facilities, or CPFs, are essential to the global energy landscape. These complex installations handle vast quantities of flammable and potentially explosive materials. This reality demands the highest levels of fire safety vigilance. The consequences of a fire incident within a CPF can be catastrophic. These can include loss of life, significant environmental damage, and disruption of energy supplies. A robust fire safety plan is not just a regulatory requirement, it is an operational imperative. It acts as a roadmap for preventing fires. It also guides swift and effective response in emergencies. A well-designed and executed fire safety plan safeguards lives and protects assets. It also ensures operational continuity and protects the environment. Every person working within a CPF must understand their role in maintaining this critical safety net. A comprehensive fire safety plan for an oil and gas CPF needs a structured approach. This ensures all critical aspects are addressed. The plan should begin with clearly defined objectives. These typically include the protection of life, minimization of property damage, and environmental preservation. The plan must provide detailed information about the facility. This includes layout plans, hazardous zone classifications, and the types and quantities of flammable materials present. A comprehensive inventory of fire risks is crucial. This involves identifying potential ignition sources, analyzing the potential spread of fire, and assessing possible consequences. Emergency contacts, both internal and external, form a vital part of the plan. These contacts should be easily accessible to all personnel. The plan should clearly define the chain of command and communication protocols in case of an emergency. A robust fire safety plan includes a detailed inventory of all fire safety equipment. This includes fire extinguishers, fire hydrants, sprinkler systems, and fire detection and alarm systems. Regular inspection, testing, and maintenance of this equipment are critical to ensuring their functionality during an emergency. A fire safety plan is only as good as its implementation. This requires clearly defined roles and responsibilities for all personnel. Every individual on site must understand their role. This includes knowing what actions to take in case of a fire alarm or an actual fire incident. Evacuation procedures form a critical component of the plan. These procedures should outline primary and secondary evacuation routes. They should also specify assembly points and procedures for accounting for all personnel. Regular evacuation drills are paramount to ensure these procedures are well understood and can be executed swiftly and safely. The plan should also detail the location and operation of all emergency equipment. This includes fire extinguishers, fire blankets, and emergency showers and eye wash stations. Practical training on the use of this equipment should be provided to all personnel. Response procedures for specific scenarios, such as hydrocarbon fires, gas leaks, and electrical fires, need to be clearly outlined. These procedures should detail the appropriate firefighting agents to use, isolation procedures to contain the fire, and any specific hazards that responders need to be aware of. Regular training and drills are vital to ensure the effectiveness of the fire safety plan. These activities reinforce the knowledge of fire safety procedures. They also allow personnel to practice their roles and responsibilities in a simulated environment. This practical experience is invaluable in preparing individuals to react calmly and effectively during an actual emergency. The fire safety plan should not be a static document. It should be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect changes in the facility, processes, or regulations. Post-incident reviews following any fire incident, no matter how small, provide valuable learning opportunities. They allow for the identification of areas for improvement in the plan, procedures, or training programs. A robust fire safety culture requires a commitment to continuous improvement. This involves actively seeking feedback from personnel, analyzing near misses, and implementing lessons learned from past incidents. By fostering a culture of proactive safety, oil and gas CPFs can significantly mitigate fire risks and ensure the safety of their personnel, assets, and the environment.